gonna do that one from the outside.
This one, you got charge customer arm and leg. This is one of these studs right here.
One right here.
And placing the wood, patch out the roof.
Kind of look better already, don't it?
Yeah.
That's good.
Same. Stop on it again.
Do the same thing, you heard?
Good. So this wood right here is fine. That one,
Yeah, this one's good.
Finish off.
That's why there's only white people that like to do plumbing. They like.
This is like the wrong, as you see, it's like the wrong cost. Go around with this stuff right here that we're using.
Get that up a little bit. I thought it was open. You want it right there, just like that.
Patch it up one more time. We ain't gonna do the